Hi, everybody. Are you ready to get wet? I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. It's 5 o'clock on this Wednesday afternoon, coming to you from the Vancouver, Portland area. I use a lot of different imagery sites, including my own weather site, portlandweather.com. And the big story is that steady rain is still expected across much of Western Washington and Western Oregon all day Thursday. And that Thursday would kick off a stretch of much wetter, much cooler weather, potentially a period of above normal rainfall and near to below normal temperature averages through the first week of May and maybe through about the first 10 days of May. So this is a big abrupt change. And quite frankly, it's great news. In Portland, 62 100s is all the rain we've picked up so far this April, the first 24 days. That's about 26% of normal. March was below normal. So, we need to get some good soaking moisture in the ground, and I think we're going to do it. I start off with the updated microwave satellite imagery that shows you what we call precipitable water. This is the imagery that forecasters use to find these little extensions of moisture plumes. You can see it here in green that comes and extends out of the main moisture flow. Here's the equatorial moisture belts that are pretty steady down in there. It doesn't mean this is precipitation, but you always see this. And we're looking for these kind of finger extensions out of that flow. Here's the heavy rain plume that's going to be feeding into Oregon and Washington tomorrow. And these are the little extensions that forecasters will also refer to as atmospheric rivers. They're, these elongated bands of moisture. But whenever you're going to forecast an inch of rain in our area over a 24 to 36 hour or even a 2 day period, you look out here to make sure you've got an active moisture flow that's surging and coming into us. And we have that. So the setup is absolutely there for the steady rain on Thursday and some pretty significant moisture coming as well. Let's go ahead and go to the next map. And here it is. This is the Futurecast map courtesy of KGW TV. So let me tell you that what shows up as a 7 o'clock start time of this absolute steady rain in green could be as early as 5 tomorrow morning. And then once this steady rain begins early tomorrow morning, it's widespread up and down I-5 into the gorge throughout much of the day. So here's where the surface front is tomorrow at 1 o'clock, right in here. And this front starts pushing inland late afternoon. And that's just going to, again, keep channeling moisture and keep the steady rain machine alive. We will be watching snow levels with this change in weather pattern. Tomorrow, 5,000 feet. That's all rain at Government Camp, where the elevation is 4,000 feet. This is courtesy of Hillcrest Ski and Board Shop and Winter Sports in Gresham. Now, by Friday, snow level is 4,500 feet, 4,500 feet Saturday, 4,500 feet Sunday. And then the big change is a colder air mass coming in Sunday night that will drop snow levels to 3,000 feet. So these snow projections are basically from snow level and higher up through about 6,000 or 7,000 feet. And when this time of the year, it's tough to tell if timberline is even gets cold enough to really accumulate snow or not. So I'm being really conservative. 5,000 feet tomorrow, 1 to 4 inches. Could there be more than that timberline? Yeah, but it's hard to tell because it's probably going to be could be a wet mix. And if it is snow, it's heavy and it's compacting. And then 2 to 4 Friday, some snow Saturday, Sunday, and then we'll look into that potential of snow sticking to mountain passes Sunday night into Monday. So don't take my snow projections here with much weight. The bigger story is what the snow levels are going to be doing. Okay, a couple other images. Back to the Futurecast courtesy of KGW TV. And this, let me see if I can just back this up and play it. Okay, all right. There's the rain coming in Sunday morning. Again, it could start as early as 5 a.m. up and down I-5. And then you just saw steady rain all the way through 6 o'clock. And there's showing some snow over the Cascades of purple color. But again, that snow level is going to be basically 5,000 feet. So you get the idea. Your plans are a washout tomorrow. Well, let's take a look at how much rain is going to fall. Let me put this into motion. So just tomorrow, this shows 36 100s in Portland. It could be a half of an inch tomorrow in Portland. And then here's the map that I really want to show you. This is the rain totals all the way through Sunday. So 4-day rain totals. Let me see if I can get this to make it stop. So notice Tillamook, Lincoln City nearing 2 inches. That's believable. basically, if you look at all the models, they generally give us an inch of rain in Portland for the 4-day total, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with the potential of it being a little bit more than that. The wettest day overall in terms of hours of widespread steady rain will be Thursday. But again, this is good soaking rain, especially tomorrow. And then decent rain amounts across really a good chunk of the east. You can see Baker City getting close to about 1/4 of an inch. So here's the way it looks on the European upper level wind flow pattern. This is tomorrow. So in blue, you can see the anomaly showing you it's colder pressures than normal. And this also highlights the trough that's digging down into us on Thursday. And let me just let me back it up. I want to go fairly slow. Here's Friday. So Friday, the main system, the main trough that gives us the rain on Thursday, pushes off to the southeast. There it is, the center of it in Nevada and down to the Four Corners areas. We still get some likely rain on Friday, but you can see what appears to be a bit of ridging into Saturday. So Saturday's a day where there may not be a lot of total rain, but there will be some. And then rains pick up. There's another front that comes in Sunday. And if I back this up, here's Sunday afternoon. See this next cold system? This is that 3,000-foot snow level that develops Sunday overnight into Monday. There's that cold trough. Here it is Tuesday. Now, there is reason to believe that as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, see how the trough axis kind of extends down off the coast of California? This is going to give us a southerly wind flow. So right now, I've got Wednesday and Thursday, a south wind flow, scattered showers that are traveling over land from California into Oregon, up the valley into Southwest Washington. That's typically an unstable flow pattern, meaning right now, that setup would suggest heavy showers scattered with thunder and lightning in the area, in the region anyway, on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And then if you keep playing this, here's another cooler trough. This is all the way into Tuesday, May 7th, Tuesday, May 8th, Thursday, May 9th, Friday, May 10th. So again, it supports this cooler, showery to wet weather pattern overall through the first 10 days of May. Now, here's the 6 to 10 day outlook, the new one issued. This goes April 30th through May 4th. And if you notice Oregon and Washington in blue, below normal temperatures. On the right, if you notice the green, above normal rainfall. The 8 to 14 day outlook is May 2nd through May 8th. So almost taking us through the 10th day of May that we just looked at on the European model. Again, below normal temperatures on the left, above normal rainfall on the right. So all of that backs up what NOAA is seeing when they look at the modeling as well. Here's the water vapor imagery. And I just want to show you this patch of moisture. Look at all of this, kind of a zonal flow pattern. Here's the front and the main ball of moisture that comes in tomorrow. But you can see there's a fetch of moisture continuing to push toward us. There's another front back in here continuing to come into us. I show a front late tomorrow. I show a weaker system on Saturday. I show a stronger system Sunday PM. And then we get into that big low with scattered storm chances Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So lots going on to keep an eye on. Hope you enjoyed today's mainly dry weather. We did have some rain up around that story. There were some showers up around the Seattle area as well. Seattle, in fact, these are current numbers, 52 in Seattle. Yeah, every day for the foreseeable future starting tomorrow is going to have at least some rain. Temperatures primarily in the 50s, overnight lows down into the 40s. If you go to the coast, it's going to be similar. Every day, some rain, lows in the 40s, highs in the 50s. So again, this extended period of moisture through all of next week and maybe even extending into the week following, which would get us through the first 10 days of May. What about Central Oregon? So a strong enough system that I don't think there's really any rain in the morning, but showers becoming likely during the day in the Bend, Sun River, Redmond area. Friday, a chance of showers. This shows that system on Saturday is too weak and it could be mainly dry with temperatures around 60 degrees and then staying that way on Monday, Tuesday. So if that's correct, it's some wet weather coming in eventually tomorrow and Friday, then you folks won't see a whole lot. So we'll keep an eye on Central Oregon's forecast and see how that pans out. The Medford, I apologize. That's still not working, the forecast link, but here's Eugene. Kind of what we're looking at. 50s to maybe some days starting Sunday, get up to 60 degrees or close to it, but the ongoing gray weather pattern. So no surprise there. And here's my Portland 7-day forecast, courtesy of Hazeldale Tire Pros up here in Clark County. The steady rain tomorrow, about a 1/2 of an inch. Friday, rain to showers, but could be another 1/2 of an inch. Rain at times Saturday, rain at times Sunday. Um, Models at times have been showing Saturday not as wet. I've been showing some dry breaks Sunday morning, but if you look at the overall analysis, I still think that trying to time it out is just kind of a losing battle. So rain at times through Sunday, Monday showers, and then that chance of some storms on Wednesday and Thursday. Again, I'm meteorologist Rod Hill in the Portland, Vancouver area. Let me know where you are, where you watch these videos from, where you would like me to spend some more time. Hit subscribe for me, and I'll talk to you soon.